Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Hey guys, Storm Team meteorologist Charlie Goldstein here. Very nice evening for us, so hopefully you got to enjoy a great Saturday of watching some college football. Waking up tomorrow morning, temperatures in the 60s underneath a pretty clear sky out there. It'll stay that way through most of the day. We'll track that out in a second, but temperatures slow to warm a little bit tomorrow morning. Should be very comfortable for a good bit, only in the lower 70s at 9 a.m. Into the afternoon, though, it will start to get pretty warm out there. Temperatures into the mid and upper 80s. Some areas may break towards 90 degrees, like Tuscaloosa, Moundville, and Brent. But for the most part, just going to be a warm, pretty typical late fall day out there. So overnight, nice and clear, waking up clear in the morning. We get some northeast flow, and that will increase our moisture just a bit to allow for some clouds to try and break in. They might try and squeeze into a shower or two out there, but dry air should overcome it, so we should stay pretty much all dry for tomorrow and into the evening, just left with some leftover clouds out there. So staying dry there, but our rain chances could be affected actually by the tropics, believe it or not. So we're still tracking Hurricane Umberto, and that's going to continue to move northwestward, and then eventually move northeastward and really maintain its strength. Notice it's going to actually forecast to be a Cat 5 and stay that way for a little while and stay a major hurricane for quite a while after that. And behind it, or really in front of it rather, if you want to call it that, Tropical Depression 9 is going to be moving northward, and this is what's going to have the biggest impact on our forecast. Notice it doesn't even look like it's going to make landfall in the southeastern U.S. or really at all, but it could bring enough moisture to give us some showers. So this is how these two systems are going to steer. Big high pressure into the Atlantic. That's going to steer Umberto out to sea. You can see it starting to curve northeast over the next couple of days. That will eventually get taken on by a trough towards the north. That's those blue colors you see up there. Now, Tropical Depression 9 is going to get very close to the U.S. It's going to tease us and really kind of sit off the coast for maybe a couple of days. And as it does so, we'll start to get reinforced northeasterly flow, some more moisture, and we could get a couple bands of showers out of this into the middle portion of the week. There you can see Umberto getting thrown out into the Atlantic, and Tropical Depression 9, which is expected to be Imelda, will get thrown out into the Atlantic as well. So a bit of a complex forecast there. Again, it results in some increased shower chances for the middle portion of the week, but looking forward to the end of next week, though. Check that out. Looks like temperatures are going to fall into the lower 80s and some days limited to the upper 70s.